Hi, my name is Freddie, founder of Jovi Club. Thanks for downloading the Adventure Ready system. That's your first step towards preparing for your next adventure. I know how it feels to want to take on a big challenge or adventure, but not know where to start when it comes to training or preparation. How do you get fit to take on a multi-day expedition, or perhaps climb a big mountain where you're facing long hours or possibly even multiple days in the elements? What should you prioritize? How should you structure training? This guide can help. Start by looking at the first section on fitness, where we talk about exactly that, how to structure your training and what to prioritize. This is something you can do right now regardless of where you are. This guide gives you everything you need, but if you want a fully structured program that builds on what you've already started today, the Jovi Club training program can help. It comes with workouts, coaching tips and guidance to get you fit enough to do whatever you want to do whenever you want to do it. All you need to do is download the app and follow the instructions. You get your first month entirely free, then it's £18 a month thereafter. You can cancel anytime, no hassle, no guilt tripping. It's the program that I live by, and I've used it to complete amazing challenges, win races, and ultimately be able to say yes to anything I want to do whenever I want to do it.